Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 or 11. Open any browser and type Visual Studio Code. Click on this first link visualstudiocode.com. Download for Windows and also you can download for Mac and Linux. I will select download for Windows. Here you will see downloading is started. Wait till this download processor will be complete. Now double click on this installer, then select I accept the agreement, then next. Click on next and install, then click on finish. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By the simple and easy steps we can know how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 or 11. Guys, if you have any questions, so please comment. I will try to answer. And please subscribe this channel for more useful videos.